It's again.
You know, some of the best things to do on Saturdays is just get away from it all. Step back, take a look at nature, and stop and smell the roses along the way. You know what? Sometimes it's good to disconnect from all the likes, the notifications, and the emails, and just get a fresh air. Get your knees in the breeze, and get the dirt under your feet. It's amazing how far and how vast the nature goes in this part of the world. But now, I go to the crispy forest, and I just listen to the sounds, smell the fresh air, and listen for the birds. It never ceases to amaze me how endless the nature goes and how delicate and intricate every design is positioned in the grand scheme of things. The water keeps going, it keeps flowing, it never runs out. Where does it go? Who knows? I feel the raindrops dance upon my palms. I hear the birds up above my head. Soon, I find that my time in nature has come to a close, and the birds say goodbye as I leave this vast, amazing land of nature. But another thing is calling my name this time, and that is to drift. Just like the leaves of nature, the drift is calling my name.